Yeah, last night we were talking to owners of inflatables that worried with those high winds coming in. Well, unfortunately, Christmas lights were damaged as well. You can take a look here. You see these arches that were blown over. Some of the snowflakes on the roof also just blown right off. The owner tells me he starts working on this in July, spending thousands of hours setting everything up and programming the lights and music. People who came out after the storm certainly sad to see what it looks like now.
Oh, it was amazing the way they had it all in sync with the music and the lights, and it was great.
Now, the homeowner estimates he has at least $30,000 invested in this display. He hasn't been able to see exactly how much damage might have been done out here tonight, but people that just love this display, well, they want to make sure that these lights hopefully are up back before Christmas, and they've already raised more than $1,000 in just the first couple hours in a GoFundMe.